And look what we're making today. So we got a couple of different jars from various Dollar Trees all over the place. I mean, you can use any of these, it really doesn't matter. But these are the ones that we chose. We washed them up, cleaned them, decided how we were going to mix and match the lids, and then started arranging how we were going to actually set them up on the podiums that we bought. Now, these are kind of hard to get. Most times we have a tough time finding them. Sometimes you can get a case of them on the website if you're lucky. But this is what we use to set up the whole process. Now I'm pretty sure any combination of any of these pedestals and jars will work just fine, but this is what we chose. Have fun with it, do your own thing. It's DIY, so just take your own stab at it. So now that we got everything squared away and we know what we're going to use, it's time to get to painting. So I'm outside with a regular spray booth carousel, and I'm just going to hit it with a metallic paint. You can use any that you like. I specifically used an automotive paint. A bit of advice: if you're going to use these kind of paints, you want to make sure you have on a respirator and it's properly ventilated. They're seriously toxic. Even if you're using a standard rattle can, you should always make sure it's properly ventilated and you're wearing a respirator. So if you decide to take this route with the automotive paint or any other paints, this is pretty much the method you want to use. You don't want to be spraying for too long in one concentrated area. If you do this right and mist it properly, you can pretty much just layer it without sitting there for hours letting it dry. Again, if your coverage is nice and even. Do keep in mind the way you had them arranged, because once you are finished painting, you're going to glue them all back how you had arranged them previously before starting to paint them, and then you're all finished. Insert your gumballs or candy or whatever and enjoy. And this is what you got. Hopefully you guys like the way this came out. If you do, please drop a like. It does help with the algorithm so others can see what we got going on. Stop being selfish. Make sure to comment and subscribe. If you have any other suggestions or requests, or if you want to know anything, any methods and materials that were used here that weren't listed, or maybe I forgot something, please feel free. Thank you for watching and enjoy.